Okay, Merry Christmas Eve!
Yes!
We're feeling festive. Nicky has his hat. It's Christmas Eve.
Yes, Christmas hat.
So I guess we're going to open the first of our Christmas presents.
Yeah.
All right.
My Christmas Eve.
5 cubes to go.
Yes. My Christmas Eve box.
1, 5, right in the middle, and...
Middle.
Middle.
Because we have 4 left.
We have 5 left.
Oh, 5, so.
So right in the middle?
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Unbox.
Okay. There we go. I feel like we also have to take a look and see what do we need, what do we want, what are we hoping for. Peppermint Orco would be cool.
Yeah.
Ew. Is it opening? Or a rust trapjaw, or an orange trapjaw.
Yeah.
Or a common trapjaw. Alright! So now we have 1 to stock and 1 to rock.
Open!
And, ooh, number 591. That's kind of a low number. We should maybe hang on to that one.
Why?
Because sometimes the people say, like, the low numbers are good ones, right? Like, it's, I don't know. Like, we have, like, a number 12 He-Man, you know? Like, let's see. See? Like, number 12. Out of all 2,400, we have number 12. Like, that's really close to number 1. Look, we've got a number 16 Battle Cat.
But you sure? Shall we open one?
Hey, like 1602 and 591. I don't know. Let's hang out. Let's see. We got a couple more to open and like see what we get because maybe we have something else. Because an uncommon might be good to trade later. So let's see what else we get before we decide.
Yes.
We've got to be a little strategic now. Right? And make smart moves so we can build our collection the right way. Like maybe somebody needs an uncommon evil-lyn and an uncommon beastman. Right? So now we keep them sealed so maybe we could trade them for something we need.
Yeah, but we do have lots
of
these guys. We did not.
So look, we've got 5 cringers.
Yeah.
Look, we've got 4 evil-lyns plus the uncommons.
We got an uncommon trapjaw down there too.
So we'll hang on to these guys now and we'll see what we can use to trade or sell later.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, 4 to go. We'll see.
Yeah.
All right. See ya.
Bye.